So this question is, what are your marketing tips for using Instagram? Are you incorporating Instagram into your social marketing plan? My answer for that, yeah, I think the best one is DMing people, because that's the best way you can start instantly trying to build relationships, start doing some business development that way. If you have a service or a product, you can reach out to influencers or people to try out your product, and that's how you can get testimonials and get some feedback for that. I think that's the one tip I would really use for using Instagram, is DM people, provide value and this isn't gonna happen immediately. I would say like DM like 100, 200 people of even a day if you have that time. It's like, because it's like a very small fraction is gonna actually respond, and sometimes that's all you need. Like, you don't need 100 people to respond to. I think sometimes you only need that 5 or 10, and that's all it takes. It's a numbers game, so find people who are relevant in whatever your industry or your target audience is, DM the crap out of them. One of our clients actually DM'd me through an unlikely source. Vero, one of our clients, he DM'd me first, offered to film me for free, and I'm always down for filming, especially for my dance, and then through that we continued developing our friendship and relationship. Now he's helping me develop an app, and I'm also helping him grow his YouTube. So you never know, just reach out. You never know what kind of relationship will come out of it. So, oh wait, the second part of the question was, am I using it as part of my social marketing plan? Not DMing people as much as I used to when we were first doing Vision Paradox, simply because plans have shifted a little bit. Personally for me and for VP, we've been using Instagram as more of a distribution platform. So Ask VP or anything else like this is going to be hosted on YouTube, and we use Facebook, Twitter, and all the short form content on the other platforms to either get them, to drive traffic in. Just not a lot of people are using Instagram or all those other platforms for long form content, at least not yet. So, which is why we're using long form too.
IGTV's become a thing.
Yeah, so we're using that. We're doing that too. So yeah.